Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair sponsor from Luvme. They sent me over this C-part kinky straight bob, and this is how it is looking straight out of packaging. It looks like the knots were already bleached for me, and this is a C-part, so you literally don't have to do anything for you. The wig is pretty much done for you. You can wear it in its natural state, but I am going to give it like a silk press, but I will also show y'all how it looks, you know, just like this. It also comes with the realistic edges right there, as you can see, so it's gonna give you that realistic look as possible. So here we go, right there. But then I did go ahead and add some of my makeup to the in the inside. It does come with an elastic band, and it is adjustable, so you can make it tighter or looser, and this wig can be worn glueless. I think that's what I'm gonna go and do. I'm gonna wear it glueless just to see how it looks. So here we go. Alright, boom, there we have it. Just looking in my mirror over here, but this is what we're having right here. This is how she's looking, very natural. The back, how that's looking, and then the front. Oh, sorry, here we go. The front. I think that I'm gonna just tweeze a little bit of the hairline right there, just to, you know, make it look even more natural as possible. You don't have. Alright, so this is how it's looking. I just did light plucking, nothing crazy. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna cut the lace off now. What's up, style babes? It's Tiandra Oriana. Welcome back. So this is the finishing results. She looks super cute. I think she came out so nice. This is definitely different for me and I like it. It's different. It gives like a sophisticated bob. Let's get into the hair details. So this wig is from Luvme, of course. This is their 4C edges, ready to wear kinky straight bob, minimalist lace glueless deep C-part short wig. I'm not kidding, that's like the title of it. This wig was so easy to do. I have to actually look back and see how long this video took once I edited, but honestly it was a quick and easy go. I was able to do like 2 videos in one. Like I made a TikTok and this. Super easy, really didn't have to do anything. You don't have to pluck the edges. It honestly doesn't really make a huge difference, but that's really your preference if you want to. I love how this wig is already apart for me, and I love how the knots are already bleached for me. I did go ahead and add some makeup on it, and then as y'all seen, I did give it a press just because I wanted it to give like a sleek, you know, I just got my hair done and just got me a little doobie and I took it down, and this is how it is looking. Here's the back, and she is not stiff. Do you see that? Stiff wear. She is not stiff whatsoever. Love when a bob has body to it, because usually certain bobs, like when you order a bob, the wig can be a little thin, and this wig is not thin whatsoever, and she has a lot of body to her, like a lot. I believe this is in 10 inches if I'm not mistaken, and everything will be listed down below. This wig is 100% glueless, like I said. Literally no spray whatsoever. The only thing holding it down is the elastic band. I'm gonna show y'all. And then there we go. She is nice and snug, by the way. I'm literally tugging on her and nothing at all. Boom. And here we go. Looks so cute. Thank you again, Luvme, for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you are notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is Tiandra and my TikTok is TiandraO. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes.